This short video will introduce how to find the sum of the given equation. And at the first look, it seems a little bit tricky. So let's just write down a few items of this given equation. So we can have 1 times 1 over 2 minus 1 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2, and then plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 3. Therefore, we can just open this parenthesis and we can get this following equation. After a further simplification, we can write down this equation equals minus 1 plus 2 times these items within the parenthesis. And also we know because ln 2 equals 1 minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. Therefore, we can just write down these items within the parenthesis equals 1 minus ln 2. And the next step is we just substitute 1 minus ln 2 to those items within the parenthesis. So we can write down the given equation equals minus 1 plus 2 times 1 minus ln 2 within the parenthesis. And it equals 1 minus 2 times ln 2, which is the solution.